Ever wonder how wrought iron gates are actually fabricated or put together, right? I'm going to show you the one I'm working on right now. This is just an idea of what you can find. So my wife found this gate. Basically, it's two gates. They're about 4 feet wide, have all this ornate design. They were rusted up, tore them down, took all the paint off. I still have to go back and do some repainting. Added a box here that still incorporated that little design. And so both of these gates had this top, which I cut off. And now I'm going to install this dude that I cut in half, right? So you can see the image. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna weld it. There's my welder and my grinder. And I'm gonna put it right in here just to kind of complete the design. It's gonna look awesome. So join me as I do this. Okay, we're gonna grind a little bit of the pieces off. Okay, now that we got things grounded, we're gonna try and tack this together. Here we go. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna finish up. I'll show you the end product. Hang on. Man, there it is. It looks really nice. The one on the bottom, the one on the top, it complements the rest of the gate. I think my wife's gonna like it. Let's get closer. Man, just remember, this world's not about being perfect. That gate's not perfect. That gate's been recycled multiple generations. It's about loving the people that are with you, taking care of them, and more importantly, is if you're a man, grow a stoic beard. Love you guys. Have a great day. Care for your families.